Hey everyone, it's me, Rai, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Llamated edition sketchbook collection set of 5 by Etchr Lab. The original audio of this recording got pretty messed up from all the packaging I was unwrapping and also a bunch of trains going by. I usually try to film these at night where there's less noise coming from outside, so here's just a re-recording of me unpackaging and unboxing the Etchr Lab package. Here's kind of the first Etchr sketchbooks I've ever got. I'm most familiar with the ones that have the really white outside, but underneath the brown one, that one is the perfect sketchbook by Etchr, which is amazing. The paper quality is always great. The way it's bound is really great, but I just figured I was going to try sketchbooking more this year and really go for it. So I decided to order a bunch of different watercolor sketchbooks so I could do a lot of drawing and painting. It comes in this little plastic parcel, which is pretty easy and convenient, and then it's wrapped several times with bubble wrap, so it's packed really well. It's held together well with just a little bit of tape, and it is also put into a little plastic sleeve, which also protects the packaging even more. Now, when I first got this parcel from Etchr, I wasn't sure which one it was because I ordered a couple different sketchbooks, so I was super excited about this. So I'm just reading the label: Etchr Lab Llamated Edition Sketchbook Collection, a set of 5, miniature series, square formula, 100% cotton, mixed media, 52 pages, 230 GSM, vegan friendly. It's in collaboration with Leslie Strauss, an artist. I hope that's how you pronounce her name. This product was designed with artist and professor Leslie Strauss, an American-based England known for her intricate, charming, tiny paintings created on location. She enjoys transforming small canvases into captivating masterpieces. Includes 30 days free trial access to online art classes. So I'm just basically explaining how I have been trying to work really small with Etchr sketchbooks, and I've never completed a sketchbook. I don't know what it is. I love the idea of sketchbooking. I heard YouTubers or people watch YouTube, and myself included who watch a lot of YouTube, love learning or watching people learn something new. So I figured, hey, let me learn something new in front of all you guys. So I'm going to practice sketchbooking. The first thing I kind of noticed about this packaging, I'll say this over and over probably, is it seems like a great gift. It comes with these 5 different sketchbooks. It is one sketchbook of 4 by 4 inches or 10 by 10 centimeters, 2 sketchbooks of 3 by 3 inches or 7.6 by 7.6 centimeters, 2 sketchbooks of 2 by 2 inches, 5 by 5 centimeters, and the colors are earth tones. They're mocha, green, beige, peach, and brown. Each one has 52 pages or 26 sheets per sketchbook. The paper is 100% cotton, which is what I love. Acid-free, obviously. Archival grade. Paper finish is cold pressed. Paperweight 230 GSM. Perfect for wet and mixed media. I feel like this is why Etchr has gotten so big so fast, is there's just not a lot of bound book-like sketchbooks that kind of meet all criteria that artists are always looking for. I'm going to take the set out of the packaging. It's so clean. The packaging looks so good. And this is where I was like, I feel like this would be a great gift for somebody if you know an artist, because the packaging alone just makes it feel like a gift. I like how they have a little logo partly on the front, and this whole drawer kind of packaging is really nice. I'm probably going to try to store my sketchbooks in here all the time, the little ones, so they don't get like lost when I fill them up. And it'd be a cool little book collection to just kind of store away once I even fill them all up. So hopefully they fit back in after I fill them up. There's a little QR code for some classes you can take on the Etchr website. And those little packages before you saw were just those to keep moisture out. You've probably seen those everywhere before. Love these. I start with this larger sketchbook, which again is 4x4 inches, so it's still pretty small. It's like about the size of my palm. It's like a foam with cardboard glued on top, which makes the little basically the little bed or little space for your sketchbooks to kind of take them and put them in the little drawer. First impressions with this was I love the color. It reminded me a lot of the Perfect Sketchbook cover, how it's just beautiful, smooth kind of leather. The Llamated edition sketchbook collection that I just opened though is the vegan friendly one, so it's the vegan leather. And yeah, I really liked the feel of it. The Perfect Sketchbook and the more than this one I'm showing. The canvas, a lot of people really like it. I was never a big fan of the canvas covers on Etchr. I really like the smoother finish of the Perfect Sketchbook that I showed just a moment ago, and these ones with the vegan friendly kind of the faux leather browns and earth tones of this collection. They all come with like this little built-in elastic band, and there's the watercolor paper, 100% cotton, acid-free, archival. It's great. Everyone loves these Etchr sketchbooks. Basically, it feels like the paper that are inside those little white ones. It's bound really well. It has a cute little logo. This one is actually etched in instead of embroidered like the other ones are. I'm holding one now as I voice over this, and it's just, the feeling is great. So when you feel these sketchbooks, that's what I really like about it. Again, this is not a sponsored video. This is something I bought with my own money because I'm really interested in sketchbooking. But I really had no critique of these books other than, yeah, really no critique of these books. I feel like the cost can be up there for a lot of beginning artists, which is why it could work well for a gift. If you know a young artist who's, broke or in your family or something, or a friend, this would be a great kind of fun, luxurious gift to give them. So probably the cost for some people, but you're getting what you pay for. The quality's really great. This is more of an unboxing video, so I could do a more thorough review if you'd like of these once I get my hands onto them and draw more. Yeah, here's the green one. It's super cute. I love it. I liked all the earth tones more, the browns more, but this green earth tone, excuse me, it has a nice pop of color to the whole set, just that one green, which is nice. This is my favorite color one that I got. It's a dark, rich, warm brown with the light band over it. It's great. This one's the 3x3 inch one. You get one of these. I'm sorry, you get two of these. The green one was the same size. I'm going to be opening every one so you could see how they look, and so I could fill them too. I wanted to fill them, and they're all bound really well. I'm being kind of not rough with them, but I am extending them because they are known for being able to lay flat while you paint. You could clip them open and you're not going to hear like glue ripping or something when you hold them flat. You will be able to just easily have them flat and paint in them. These ones were a trip. I'm smiling and laughing again when I'm opening them because they're so adorable and cute, and they're kind of ridiculous too how small they are, but I can't wait to see what people paint in them or draw on them. I'm thinking of doing one that's just filled with different beetles or something tiny, or maybe one that has, oh, by the way, this is like this very deeply etched in llama that I'm digging my finger into. But yeah, maybe something giant or giant landmarks like pyramids and Eiffel Tower and giant things in a little sketchbook I think would be fun. But yeah, I can't wait to fill these up. I was a little worried about the tiny ones that the quality would be compromised in some way. Maybe the gluing wouldn't be as on point or something, because it feels like it'd be a harder thing for a person or a machine to handle. But it looks great. Like the round edges are beautiful on these little ones as well. I thought it might cut it too much into the composition area, but it's great. They kept the same kind of round edge, and it works still, and it still holds flat, and the binding wrinkles a little on the side, but it does its job. It's just like all the other ones. So like overextending it, and it still holds together well. Doesn't feel like I'm loosening it too much or anything. Forgot to mention they all have this cute little ribbon bookmark, which is helpful to kind of find your place where you left off. I love it. But yeah, I was impressed. I feel like I got more than I expected. Just all these little details all the time. I'm actually working through a sketchbook now that's a moleskin. It's great because it's much more affordable, and I could just kind of mess around with sketchbooking and get into the groove. But I can't wait to get into these more pricier sketchbooks, just because the feel of the papers I feel like is better than what I experienced in the moleskin. And then because it's 100% cotton paper. And then I also, just the packaging again, I wish I'd ordered two so I could have gifted one, but this one I'm gonna be selfish, I'm gonna draw on it myself. But yeah, maybe when they come out with another little mini set, I'll order one for somebody that I know. So hopefully they're not watching this so they're surprised when they get it. I mean, I could even buy a set and gift out a bunch of different little ones to people. I recently gave my cousin a tiny little one, but not by Etchr, by somebody on Etsy. I just think they're so cute, these little small ones. All the details are so great on this packaging, even like the little gold print on the inside, the Llamated edition inside the little drawer. It's just all these, small details just make it feel like an item that the company really likes and appreciates, and in turn, you're gonna love and appreciate too. All the craftsmanship, and it looks great. If you've ordered any of the Llamated edition sketchbook collections, let me know. I'm curious which ones you ordered. Etchr started doing this great kind of, I feel like, marketing campaign where they're doing on Instagram. I saw this, and I'm totally a sucker for it. They started posting like these milestones, like if we get 70 people to order this kind of book or this collection, we'll run it and sell it and make it for you guys. And that's what I saw. I saw this like this ad where they were making these limited edition sketchbooks. There's mini ones, there's other types, and I loved the idea of kind of having the leather look versus kind of the solid white that they had before. So I jumped on it right away. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please like, subscribe, share.